like the middle of the night practically, and we're going to Kinko's to, I guess, print out some study guides for Brianna.
Yeah, I didn't know Kinko's even still existed. I had to look it up.
Yeah. Alright, so I guess we're at FedEx Kinko's, and we're gonna go print stuff up now. Neat. Put like a credit card in there.
It's like the best option.
I bet there's so many viruses on this computer. You have all of this?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. This is where I'm sure we're gonna run into trouble here. Because...
No, you have to be optimistic.
I don't know, it's just such a pain in the butt here. You're asking Windows XP machine to print something.
It's already 50 cents.
Yeah.
It's one page.
I think we'll be okay. You're talking about like $5 max, right? That is a lot of stuff. She's got like over 50 pages she had to print. They are just robbing us. We should complain. That's ridiculous. This computer is even worth $34.
That's true. That was an expensive adventure.
Not bad. Yeah, $34. Crazy.
I need to get my own
It
printer.
goes from being like 1,000,000 degrees here to being like absolute zero or something. Now, it's like in the 50s right now. You know what? Today I did the dumbest thing. This happens every once in a while, and there's really no excuse for it. I forgot to bring the dogs water, like the thermos of water or the big bucket of water. So I brought mine, of course, so I've given them my water, but that's all that's in there. So we'll practice as long as the water holds up, I suppose. What do you think, Venus? I think I'm not drinking much water because I want to make sure I practice a bunch today. Alpha doesn't really drink when he practices. Dad, throw me this frisbee. This one right here, okay? I can't reach that. You gotta bring it to me. Alright, Bob. Okay, there's only so much you can do when it's this windy. Alpha, come around. I have definitely gotten pretty good at throwing in wind over the years, but quite honestly, it's like 30-mile-an-hour winds right now. Okay, Venus, let's try. Like, the more windy it is, the more you want to, like, throw at an angle, so you can't throw quite as far. Not in this wind. In some wind, you can just launch it. And you want to throw into the wind also, though you can do it both ways, but into the wind will likely give it more hang time once you get the right release down. That wasn't bad. That is a large bird. Oh my goodness. Rather intimidating too. He's like, or she's having trouble in the wind. I think this bird's thinking about eating Alpha. Please do not eat me, bird. Unless you must, then I will understand. I don't care about no bird. I eat them things all the time. Chicken's my favorite.